In this video, let's understand how to apply for monetization. Once your channel qualifies for monetization, that is achieving 1000 subscribers and having 4000 public watch hours, you'll receive an email from YouTube which states apply for monetization, which means your channel is now good for applying for monetization. So log into your YouTube Studio. Once you go to YouTube Studio, scroll down and go to monetization section. Now when you go to monetization section, you will see something like this. The green tick indicates that you have achieved this criteria of having 1000 plus subscribers, having 4000 plus public watch hours. Two-step verification has been done on your Google account, that is like two-step verification, and you have 0 active community guideline strikes. So when all these 4 are met, that's when you can apply for it. So once this is done, just click on apply now. Okay, once you do that, so the first step, it says review partner program terms. Just click on start, read through the terms and condition, come to the bottom, I accept the YouTube partner program terms, and click on accept terms. So it says email me updates, announcements and personalized tips to help me grow. So I don't need this, but you decide if you want to get the updates or not. Okay, then click on accept terms. So once you do that, you can see that okay, step 1 is completed and it says step 1 done. Next is sign up for Google AdSense account. Now if you already have a Google AdSense account, you can just link it, or you can create a new Google AdSense account as well. So let me just click on start. Okay, so it says you will be redirected to AdSense to complete this step. Now here it's saying, do you have an existing AdSense account? Okay, or you want to create a new one. Okay, say for example you have a existing AdSense account. You can select yes, I have an existing account, or you can say no, I don't have an existing account. Now option 1 is you don't have an AdSense account, so we are going to create a new AdSense account and link it. If you already have an AdSense account, then directly jump to 8 minute 20 second in this video and implementing from there. Now, do you have an existing AdSense account? Select, in this case, we don't have an AdSense account. So we are going to select as no, I don't have an existing AdSense account. Then we'll click on continue to create a new AdSense account. Okay. Now it is going to ask choose the account. While creating an AdSense account, it is not mandatory that you need to use the same Gmail ID that you have used for creating your YouTube channel. You can certainly use other Gmail ID that you more frequently use also. Now say for example, if you want to get your YouTube earnings to your spouse account details, so certainly you can create your AdSense account with the help of your spouse email ID. Okay, get that AdSense account created and you can link it to YouTube channel also. Now everything follows the same process. You decide which is the Gmail account that you are going to use and continue with the next steps, right? So I'm going to select the account. So once you select the Gmail account, this is how it looks, and this is the Gmail ID that is going to be used for creating your AdSense account. So here it says your YouTube channel link, and then it says get more out of AdSense. If you want to get some preference suggestions, then you can select yes or you can select no. So in this case, I'm selecting as no. So it's completely up to you whether you want to select yes or no. Okay. So let me select no and continue. So next is select your country of or territory. Whichever country you are from, just select that country. The next is accepting the terms and condition. Select yes on that and click on create account. Now this is going to create your AdSense account. So congratulations, your AdSense account has been created now. Now we need to verify if the details are fine. See, from the Gmail account, it is going to pick up your details like name, address and everything. So here it says your name, account type as individual. So if you had used a business account, then account type would have been shown as business. Now please verify your name and address. This is a very important thing. Why? Because Google is going to send a letter to your home to verify your AdSense account. Okay. So please make sure to verify that. If your address is not correct, please edit the address by just clicking on that pencil icon, update the address and just click on submit. Once you click on submit, it is going to redirect back to your YouTube channel. So it is saying that, okay, redirecting you to YouTube. So just wait for a couple of seconds. Don't do anything. Or if after few seconds it does not happen, then just click on redirect. Usually it happens automatic. You don't have to do anything. Okay. So now it has come back to your YouTube channel, and now the step 2, right? We have just created and linked the AdSense account. So let me just quickly refresh and show. Now you can see that, okay, it says in progress. Within couple of days, Google is going to approve or send a notification if they need any details to approve your AdSense account. So once step 2 is approved, then we will move to step 3. So I'm just showing this after 1 day, where the first step is done, and second step, sign up for Google AdSense, even that is marked as done now. Now immediately that happens, it is moved to the next step where it says get reviewed. So this is where they are going to review your channel, right? And it says in progress, right? So once this is done, we will be able to monetize the channel. Now this can take anywhere around 1 or 2 days to a month also, right? That's what they say. Within a month is what they say. But for the new channels, we have seen that within 1 or 2 days, this step is also something that will be completed. Now if it takes a couple more days, it's completely okay. So just wait for some time, and this should also be done, and you will be receiving an email notification also. Let me show you the next steps now. So within 2 days, I just received this email from YouTube which says, congratulations, you have been approved to join YouTube Partner Program. So that means now the channel is all set to monetize and start generating the income. So at times it might take even more than 2 days, sometimes a week or more as well. Okay. Now let's go to YouTube. And the moment you go to your YouTube studio, you will also find something like this. Okay. So even if you don't find it, then just it's completely okay. You can either just click on get started. Now if you don't see this, okay, it also says here monetize videos. Just click on that, or you also will be having an option here to monetize videos. Okay, so let me just click on monetize videos. So it's asking for set monetization preferences. Do you want to monetize existing videos? Okay, so make sure that, okay, monetize. I'm going to select as monetize all videos now. Now let the type of ads and everything be the same, and just click on apply preferences. Once you do that, it is going to monetize all of your videos in the channel. So this is going to take a couple of minutes. So after that, you can just go to your YouTube studio and check that. Let me show you how to check that. Now if you come to your YouTube studio and just click on content, you can see that all the videos have been monetized. It is going to show as on all the videos. Okay, so that's how you enable monetization and start earning money from YouTube. Now if you already have a YouTube AdSense account, let's continue and see how exactly to do that. If you have it, then just select yes, I have an existing account, and then click on continue. Now it is going to ask choose the account, right? So I'm going to select the account. So here it says Google AdSense sign up, okay, email ID, okay. And if you want to choose a different account, you can certainly do that. It says your existing Google publisher account, okay, and it is showing you the publisher ID, your name, right, address, everything. Just scroll down, okay, payment currency in US dollars, okay, click on accept association. So it says redirecting to your host, okay, so it is going to get back to YouTube studio. Now here, now this step is also going to be marked as done. Now you could see that this step also has been completed. Now next is get it reviewed. So YouTube will review your channel to make sure that it complies with the YouTube monetization policy. Will email you a decision. So within a month is what they say, but within couple of days, even this step will be completed, and after that you're all good to enable monetization on all of your videos. So within 2 days, I just received this email from YouTube which says, Congratulations, you have been approved to join YouTube Partner Program. So that means now the channel is all set to monetize and start generating the income. So at times it might take even more than 2 days, sometimes a week or more as well. Okay. Now let's go to YouTube, and the moment you go to your YouTube studio, you will also find something like this. Okay. So even if you don't find it, then just it's completely okay. You can either just click on get started. Now if you don't see this, okay, it also says here monetize videos. Just click on that, or you also will be having an option here to monetize videos. Okay, so let me just click on monetize videos. So it's asking for set monetization preferences. Do you want to monetize existing videos? Okay, so make sure that monetize. I'm going to select as monetize all videos now. Now let the type of ads and everything be the same, and just click on apply preferences. Once you do that, it is going to monetize all of your videos in the channel. So this is going to take a couple of minutes. So after that, you can just go to your YouTube studio and check that. Let me show you how to check that. Now if you come to your YouTube studio and just click on content, you can see that all the videos have been monetized. It is going to show as on all the videos. Okay, so that's how you enable monetization and start earning money from YouTube. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then please do give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you have not already done. If you want to understand how to create content which your audience are going to love, which is going to help you to get more views and subscribers to your channel, then just click on this info link and watch a complete video which is going to help you understand more about your channel so that you can grow much faster as well. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.